Hello, today I'm excited to share with you my review of the RC30-0248 laptop battery for the Razer Blade Advanced 15 model. If you're like me and you've experienced the frustration of your laptop's battery life dwindling, you understand the importance of finding a reliable replacement. Let's dive into why I chose this battery, how to install it. After extensive research, I choose the RC30-0248 laptop battery for several reasons. Firstly, its impressive specifications caught my eye. The Li-ion battery has a voltage of 15.4 volts and a capacity of 80 wattage hours, providing a powerful and long-lasting charge. Additionally, it's 100% new from the manufacturer, ensuring top-notch quality with up to 500 recharge cycles over the battery's life. I was confident this battery would be a reliable and durable replacement for my Razer Blade Advanced 15. Another crucial factor was the amount of positive reviews from other users who has praised its performance and ease of installation. Now let's move on to the installation process. It's quite simple and can be done in a few steps. I'll be using this 45-in-1 mini screwdriver set. Alright, the first step is to power down and unplug your laptop. So first make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. And then from here you want to flip over the laptop so then you can start unscrewing the screws from the back of it. So now to remove the back cover, you need to use a screw bit that looks like this. I don't know if you can see this. So it's quite small. On the head it says JMCRVT5. So now I'm going to place this in the little mini screwdriver set here, like so. And now I'm going to undo all these screws around the laptop. Alright, here's all the screws I've unscrewed. I'm missing quite a few from the back of my laptop. I didn't even realise, so I need to find replacements. Now we move on to the next step. We're going to take off the back cover now. And a tip, once you've removed your screws, put them in a safe spot because you don't want to be like me and lose them as well. So keep them nearby. And now as you can see, you can see the inside of my laptop now. Here's the old battery that needs replacing. So what you need to do now is unplug this little tab here, like so. And now there's more screws around here you need to undo. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you got a different version of the Razer Blade laptop, these battery configuration might slightly or be a little bit different to the one you're seeing here. So yeah, it's the same process. So now what I'm going to do is undo these screws. These are just your normal screwdriver head, if you can see that. So I'm just going to plug this in here. And now I'm going to take these screws out. I'll pause this video and get back to you. Alright, once you unscrewed the screws, this just simply pops out like so. So now this is the old battery. Looks like it's bloated a little bit. So yeah, we're going to discard that one, put that over there. And now time to put in the new battery. So it's simply reverse. So now what you do is just pop it back in, like so. Make sure this tab on the right hand side goes in like so first, and just drop it in very gently. Alright, once you've popped it in, make sure to press that little tab down like so. And now you need to put these screws back around the outside of the battery to lock it into place. So I'll quickly do this now. And also another tip, just take your time while you do this because you don't want to break anything inside here. So it's not a rush, just yeah, take your time to put the screws back in as well. Alright, I'm just going to pop in the last screw here. And now this battery is going to be secured back inside the laptop. And now after this, we're going to put the back cover back on. While you're here, give it a bit of a clean out too. If you see the fan's nice and dusty, or if it is dusty, just give it a blowout if you got any compressed air. So that's what I did earlier. Alright, now it's time to put the back cover back on, like so. Just sits on like that. And now I'm going to put these screws back on and fire it up. Now because I've only got half the screws I need to put this cover on, I'm just going to do every second one. So until I find some more screws or get around to getting some more screws. Alright, some little tips too. So for the first time charging it up, so initial charge and discharge. For the first use, discharge the battery to 5%, not 0%, and then charge it to 95%. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times to ensure optimal performance.